Hello everyone. Imagine becoming your most confident, radiant self in just 1 week. This guide is here to help you glow from the inside out by focusing on every detail: your hair, skin, nails, makeup, and even your wardrobe. Whether you're new to self-care or want a fresh start, this is a simple yet effective plan to transform your look and boost your confidence. Let's dive into the ultimate glow-up routine. Hair. Your crowning glory. Your hair is one of the first things people notice about you. Start with oils for hair health. Hair oiling is the foundation of healthy, shiny hair. Choose the right oil based on your hair's needs. Dry or damaged hair. Use coconut oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, or argan oil for deep hydration. Oily hair. Opt for lightweight oils like grapeseed or jojoba oil. Dandruff or itchy scalp. Tea tree oil and rosemary oil are great for soothing and nourishing. Massage the oil into your scalp in circular motions for 10 to 15 minutes to increase blood flow and promote hair growth. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours or overnight before washing with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Weekly deep conditioning. Follow your shampoo with a deep conditioning treatment or a hydrating hair mask. Look for ingredients like shea butter, keratin, or honey. Apply the mask from mid-length to the ends of your hair, avoiding the roots, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Experiment with hairstyles. Switch up your look with styles that suit your hair type. For natural hair, try twist outs, braid outs, or even a defined wash and go routine. Protective styles. Box braids, knotless braids, faux locks, or a sleek bun can protect your hair and reduce daily maintenance. Straight or wavy hair. Experiment with loose curls, sleek ponytails, or voluminous blowouts. For hijabis, if you wear a hijab, make sure your hair is moisturized and protected. Use a silk or satin underscarf to prevent friction and reduce hair breakage. You can also try elegant hijab styles like turban wraps or layered drapes to elevate your look. Skin, radiance from within. Great skin is the foundation of a glow-up. Here's how to start glowing this week. Determine your skin type. Dry skin. Feels tight and may have flakiness. Use rich hydrating products. Oily skin, often shiny with larger pores. Opt for lightweight, mattifying products. Combination skin, oily in the T-zone and dry elsewhere. Use a balanced routine. Your skincare routine. Morning, cleanse with a gentle, hydrating face wash. Apply a vitamin C serum to brighten and even out your skin tone. Moisturize with a lightweight cream. Don't skip sunscreen. Choose SPF 30 or higher. Night, double cleanse if you've worn makeup. Use a toner with ingredients like rice water or rose water. Apply a hydrating serum like hyaluronic acid. Finish with a nourishing night cream or facial oil. Weekly exfoliation. Exfoliate twice a week using a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant, e.g. glycolic or salicylic acid, to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. DIY face mask. For an at-home glow, try this DIY mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 teaspoon of honey and apply it to your face for 15 minutes. It hydrates and brightens your skin. 3. Body care. Radiance from head to toe. Your body deserves as much love as your face, and taking care of it will elevate your glow up. Exercise. Movement is essential for glowing skin and a healthy body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity a day, whether it's a brisk walk, a home workout, or even dancing. Healthy eating. Focus on nutrient-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These provide essential vitamins and minerals that promote glowing skin and overall well-being. Self-care. Treat your body to some self-care. Try dry brushing to exfoliate and promote circulation, and use a body scrub to remove dead skin. Body oils and lotions. To finish off, apply a body oil or shimmer lotion for a subtle glow and to keep your skin soft and hydrated. 4. Makeup. Enhancing your natural beauty. Makeup is a fun and creative way to enhance your features. But before applying makeup, it's crucial to understand your undertone and how it affects your product choices. Finding your undertone. Your undertone plays a huge role in choosing the right makeup. If your veins appear green, you likely have a warm undertone. If they look blue, you have a cool undertone. And if they're a mix of both, you have a neutral undertone. Choosing foundation. Once you know your undertone, choosing a foundation becomes much easier. Warm undertones look great in golden or yellow-toned foundations, while cool undertones should go for pink or neutral shades. Neutral undertones can wear both warm and cool foundations. Eye makeup. For eyeshadow, try shades that complement your skin tone and undertone. Warm-toned girls can go for earthy tones like browns, golds, and oranges, while cool-toned girls may enjoy purples, pinks, and cool browns. Highlighting and contouring. Highlighting and contouring can add depth and dimension to your face. Use a highlighter that's slightly lighter than your skin tone and contour with a shade that's a few shades darker than your natural skin tone. 5. Nails. The perfect finishing touch. Your nails are the perfect final detail to complete your glow-up. Manicure and pedicure. Regular manicures and pedicures will keep your nails looking neat and polished. Go for a classic nude or bold colors that make a statement. Don't forget to hydrate your cuticles with oils to keep them healthy. Nail designs. You can also experiment with fun nail designs. French tips, ombre, or simple geometric designs are trendy and classy choices. 6. Lips. Soft and plump. To make sure your lips are soft and perfectly hydrated, follow these simple tips. Exfoliation. Gently exfoliate your lips using a lip scrub or a DIY sugar and honey scrub to remove dead skin. Hydration. Keep your lips moisturized by applying a lip balm with shea butter or vitamin E. Lip color. For a natural glow, choose a lip color that suits your undertone. Warm undertones look great in peachy nudes, while cool undertones rock pinks and berry tones. 7. Eyebrows. Shaping and defining. Eyebrows frame your face, so it's important to keep them well groomed. Shaping. If you're new to shaping, consider getting them done by a professional at least once. After that, you can maintain them at home by tweezing or using a brow razor. Filling in. Use a brow pencil or pomade to fill in any sparse areas. Go for a natural look by following your brow's natural shape. Brow gel. Finish off with a brow gel to keep those hairs in place and make your brows appear fuller. 8. Teeth. A bright, beautiful smile. Your smile is one of the first things people notice, so let's keep it dazzling. Brushing. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, and don't forget to floss. This ensures your smile stays fresh and clean. Whitening. For an extra sparkle, consider using a whitening toothpaste or natural whitening products like activated charcoal. 9. Outfits. Dress for your body shape. The way you dress can enhance your glow up by accentuating your best features. 1. Hourglass shape. Top. Fitted or wrap tops, V-necks. Bottom. High-waisted pants, pencil skirts, tailored trousers. 2. Pear shape. Top off-the-shoulder boat necks, puffed sleeves. Bottom A-line skirts, wide-leg pants, boot-cut jeans. Apple shape. Top V-neck or scoop neck, structured blazers. Bottom, slim or straight-leg pants, knee-length skirts. 4. Rectangle shape. Top fitted or peplum tops, layers. Bottom structured dresses, belted waistlines, voluminous skirts. 5. Inverted triangle shape. Top fitted tops, V-necks. Bottom flared pants, A-line skirts, wide-leg trousers. Flattering colors. Choose colors that complement your skin tone and undertone. Warm undertones look great in earthy shades like terracotta, mustard, and olive, while cool undertones shine in jewel tones like emerald and sapphire. Accessorizing. Don't forget the power of accessories. A statement necklace or some bold earrings can elevate any outfit and add that extra glow-up touch. With all of these steps, you'll be feeling more confident and radiant in just 1 week. Remember, a glow-up isn't just about physical appearance. It's about loving and embracing who you are while taking care of yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. Until next time, stay glowing and confident.